Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nidhi, and in today's video I'm going to walk you all through my 2024 favorites, and it will consist of everything right from skincare, body care, hair care, makeup, and some random stuff as well. So without any further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so whatever products I'm going to show you all in this video is going to be very specific, very chosen, because I have tried and tested so many products in 2024, and I have shortlisted few of them from each category, like very specific, like 1 to 2 products from everything, right from toner to like skincare, makeup, everything. You get the gist of it, right? So this is going to be very up close and personal, so without any further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so first of all, we are going to start from cleanser, and the very first cleanser is this Clear's gentle deep cleansing oil. So this is my first ever cleansing oil, and I have never used cleansing oil before that. And oh my god, this is so good. Like, it gently cleanse your skin, and my skin feels so better. And trust me, after using this, मेरा breakdown बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम हो गया, you guys, and I'm not even exaggerating. Like, I am like, why haven't I used this cleansing oil? So last year in 2024, I used to get a lot of breakouts. If you will see my videos like February, March, April का video देखोगे, you will see that I had lots and lots of breakouts. And then when I started using this cleansing oil, oh my god, my breakouts and my skin was feeling so better. My skin has improved a lot quality wise also. Guys, I'm sorry, मेरे light का battery down हो चुका है, so we have to work with this only. So yeah, so I was talking about my cleansing oil that is really great, and now I get the idea why cleansing oil or why double cleansing is so important. So yeah, that's that. Like, it is my most favorite skincare purchase, and I absolutely love this. This is the worth of investment. I have been using it around like 3 to 4 months, and like it's still like going strong. ये 2 महीना और चलेगा. So I absolutely love this cleansing oil. Surely gonna repurchase this. The face wash, I just used this Bioderma Sebum Gel face wash. Bioderma was kind enough to send me lots and lots of this. Like, I get a lots of refills of this. So whole year मैंने यही use किया है. Like, I have finished 2 to 3 tube of it, and it works perfectly fine for me. Like, the only issue I guess for me was like not cleaning my skin properly, and the minute I have started double cleansing, my skin started getting better. So this also works very good. The next one is toner, and in 2024 I have tried lots and lots of toner, and out of which only two are my absolute favorite, and these are this Clear Sepal unscented toner. Like, this toner is so great. It is so moisturizing, and it has very thick type of consistency, like an essence. Just go deep into your skin, and your skin also absorb this very quickly, leaving your skin hydrated. Absolutely love this, and I have used like a lot of it, and it is quite expensive, तो मैं थोड़ा बचा बचा के use करती हूँ. If I'm talking about expensive toner, last year I also got my hands on a very expensive toner. When I saw the price of it, I was like, what the hell, how it can be so expensive. And I'm talking about none other than this. Like, you can clearly see how much I have used this is a mini, and mind you, the price of this mini is 1200, you guys. Trust me, इससे पहले मैंने इतना ज़्यादा पैसा कभी भी अपने स्किन केयर पे नहीं लगाया था, guys. I'm being very honest with you all. But the minute I saw this, and I have heard so many good reviews about it, so I had to try it, and I purchased it on the day where my skin was going through a lot. And this is Paula Choi's exfoliating toner. Obviously इसका नाम चला गया है, but you guys, if you are skincare addict, you must know about this. And oh my god, this toner is worth of every penny. Like, now I get the idea why is it expensive and still so many people are using it. This is so great. Oh my god, like, it will instantly improve your skin texture. If you are having breakout, use this every night, and you will see the difference. Like, you will get rid of all the bumps and everything. I absolutely love this. And you know what, it is expensive, तो मैं थोड़ा बचा बचा के use करती हूँ. And the minute I started getting lots of breakouts या फिर bumps, I start using this, and within 7 days your skin will be better. And so yeah, I love this. Snail mucin from Cosrx, everyone know the hype of it. It is so hydrating, good for hydrating your skin, improving your skin texture. I absolutely love this product. It also works very wonderful for my skin. It just give you right amount of hydration to your skin, and also improve your skin texture. Very good. Even I use this for my shaving as well. So I love this. So in 2024 I try to limit myself from serums because मुझे ऐसा लगता था, because as I told you 2024 was not such good year for my skin. In the first half of 2024 my skin was not at all feeling better good, so I just restrict myself from using serums. And I think in 2024 I have used like only 2 to 3 serums. So in 2024 I have used this plum niacinamide serum. This is absolutely very 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 great serum to soothe your skin down. This works wonder for my skin. It just soothes your skin down and it just helps to remove all your dark spots and the acne marks that you have. So it has helped me to remove all these. But in the day I used to use this plum vitamin C serum. This has also helped me a lot in order to brighten my skin and giving that glow from within. Also like my skin to be brighter. So for brightening I use this vitamin C serum and it works very 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 great. I think if you are not using any serum, I will highly suggest you all to include at least vitamin C serum into your skincare routine in morning. That will help you drastically in order to brighten your skin. And if you can't use a serum, to try to include vitamin C into your diet. Like you can eat oranges and other stuffs that have vitamin C. So I think vitamin C is really 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 great for your skin. So for my under eyes in the last 2 months of 2024 I got my hands on this is L'Oreal Glycolic Bright Serum. So it has 3% of glycolic, vitamin CG plus niacinamide eye serum. And that time I used to have a lot and lots of dark under eyes. Like on my under eyes are very 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 dark. So I use this and I must say within 2 to 3 weeks my dark circles were getting better. Works wonder for me. And yeah, I have been using it since November and it's working so good for my under eyes. Like, and for my moisturizer I was keep switching between this Dr. Shade vitamin C and ceramide white moisturizer and Emoline. Like these two are my absolute favorite moisturizer. Emoline का ट्यूब खत्म हो चुका है और मेरे पास वो है नहीं, so I'll just insert the clip of it. It is very good pharmacy moisturizer. For this Dr. Shade ceramide and vitamin C moisturizer, this is also working so great. Like these two moisturizer are my absolute favorite. I don't know from how many years. Like this though, I use it, my mom use it, my entire family use this moisturizer. And Emoline was my favorite moisturizer since my college days. So I just love these two moisturizer. I keep switching back between these two only. And if I talk about sunscreen, I used a lot of sunscreen in 2024 because obviously I get a lot of sunscreen in my PR. So I tend to use a lot. And few of my favorites would be Dot and Key Vitamin C sunscreen. I don't have a tube with me, but that was also really, really, really great. If you are looking a sunscreen that you can use in summer season, so that would be a really, really great. Also, their watermelon variant is also very great. Sunscreen from Dot and Key, absolute favorite. Another absolute favorite sunscreen for me is this Bioderma Photoderm cream sunscreen. I use it a lot. Like I have been using it throughout the year. I have finished 2 tube of this, so I absolutely love this Bioderma Photoderm sunscreen. It is a 40 ml of a tube, but this goes a long way, you all guys. Like I just absolutely love the texture of it. It just doesn't leave you any white cast. It is bit oily, but if you have a dry skin and a combination skin, that would like work very nicely for you. This is really great, but it tends to get oily, I'll be very honest. But it is perfectly fine for me because मैं उसे पाउडर से सेट कर लेती हूँ, तो it just works very great for me. So yeah. And I also have another sunscreen favorite, and that is this Garnier Skin Natural Super 50 Plus sunscreen. This is also very 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 great product. I've been using it. It leaves no white cut. It has very runny texture. I though absolutely love this, and it also has vitamin C in it. And you know what? When I use it, I kind of feel a glow from within after using this, and I think it is also almost over. So yeah, that's that. So for my makeup, let's start with the base first. So I have recently tried this Mars primer in I guess November. And oh my god, what is this product? Like this is so nice. I have made a separate reel about it. Like I just absolutely love the whole consistency and the formula of it. And it is so glowy. It just gives you a glow and it just holds your makeup into the place. It has a sticky texture. That is absolutely so great. Like, I absolutely love this, and this is also very, very, very affordable. And another primer that I absolutely love is this Maybelline Fit Me primer. It is also very dewy and smooth. Like, it will glides your makeup so easily onto your skin, and it also gives you a dewy finish. And if you know me, you know I like gluey and dewy makeup. So yeah, that's that. Another thing that I absolutely love this year and use the most is this Elf Halo Glow liquid filter. This is so great product. If you are using this before your makeup or after your makeup, you will not need a highlighter, yeah. And this just looks so good. Makes your skin so glowy. This just works so great. Like, this is a multitasking product. Like, why haven't I tried this earlier? And for my foundation, I just have one favorite product, and that is this K Beauty hydrating foundation. This is so great, and I'm in the shade 125 Y medium. I absolutely love this foundation. This is very hydrating, very buildable, and it just works so great into my skin. Absolutely love this, and I'm surely going to repurchase this because I think this is almost over. So in 2024, I was in my skin tint era. Earlier, I was not familiar with skin tint, and the minute I started using skin tint, I was like, oh my god, this is so great for your everyday basis, because I like to get ready on daily basis. Okay, I just love makeup, but the thing with me is I'm a minimal girly. I really don't like to put, full glam on everyday basis. I just like to look presentable. So I was really looking for something which is as good as foundation, but thoda sa cool down हो, like not as full glam and as heavy as foundation. And then I got my hands on this. This is Dot and Key Strawberry Dewy Tinted Sunscreen. So basically it is a tinted sunscreen, not skin tint. Okay, I'm just putting out very clear. तो मैंने सबसे पहले ये use किया, and I was like, oh my god, this just gave you so, you know good finish. It just give you a kind of coverage, not full coverage, not medium coverage, but your skin looks very even after using this, and I was amazed with this. So I started using this on daily basis, and after that I also started looking for good skin tint. Got my hands on this. This is House of Makeup skin tint, and oh my god, you guys, now I have this onto my skin, and you can see like how good the coverage is. I absolutely love this. And after that, I have sort of ditched my foundation. I like to use this, and this is so good. Like, it gives you very, very, very nice coverage, and this is so viral. No, I get the hype of it. It deserves to be viral. So yeah, I absolutely love this. So very luminous finish. It also have hyaluronic acid, and it also have SPF 25. And I am in the shade WFL 10. Oh my god, I absolutely love this tint. Sara Dewy liquid blush, and this is so great, and this blush is very, very, very pigmented, long lasting, give you very hydrating finish. I just love them. You don't need to use highlighter after you apply this, because this will give you a kind of a glow as well. And look at the packaging, and obviously Sarah is my favorite creator. She can't do wrong with any of the makeup products because she is an OG when it comes to makeup. Okay, so I just absolutely love this blush. And daily basis, I am much more into lip and cheek tint than blushes. So for lip and cheek tint category, I have this Earth Rhythm lip and cheek tint. This is not like a water tint, but this tint is really, really, really great. Like, it just instantly add a flush of color onto your skin, and just makes your skin so, fresh and natural. I just love this. I love the formula of it. It has very smooth and lightweight formula. So leaves a kind of a glow. I don't know why this product is not viral. Like, I love this product. Okay. It's Insight powder. I don't know. I these guys have discontinued this. I was not finding it. So if I show you all, like, I have almost hit the pan of it. I have used it every day, like every single day of 2024. I have used this. After that, in the last 2 months of 2024, I got my hands on this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder, and I'm the shade 220 natural. This is very great. It just instantly mattify your skin, and I'm someone who likes to use powder after using my sunscreen and after using my tint. I like to use powder, but in winter season, I just like to use it on my T zone, and that's it. So This is also working really great for me. And for mascara, I have two favorites. The first one is this Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara, and this is really, really, really great. And this is OG. I got back to this. I had the one earlier, but मेरे हॉस्टल से किसी ने चोरी कर लिया था guys, so I don't have that with me. So I got my hands on this again, and I love it. Like, and I think my eyelash love this. So yeah, that's that. Another mascara that is my absolute favorite is this L'Oreal Panorama mascara. This is so great. This is what I have applied on my lashes right now. This is so great. Like, I just absolutely love this mascara. This just give you very, very, very nice volume and also lengthens your eyelashes. So I absolutely love this. And the next one is this Mars lip liner. I was never a lip liner girl ever before until I tried this. This is for 69 rupees, you all guys. And I have the whole set, like 12 sets, and I keep on switching the shades. But here I'm talking more about, the formula and the texture of it. And this is very, very, very smooth, very hydrating. And I just love this. And this is also very pigmented, very creamy. So I just love this lip liner a lot, and I have used it throughout this year. I just keep on switching within the shades, so I'll make a separate video about the shade. But the only lip liner that was my absolute favorite was this Mars, and this is so affordable, you guys. This is for 69 rupees, and it has everything that you need in a lip liner. This is pigmented, this is has smooth, this has a creamy texture. Love it. And for lipstick, this may be surprise for a lot of you all guys, because I was someone who never, never, never liked the concept of liquid lipstick. But this year there was a liquid lipstick that made into my favorite lipstick, and that is this Fay Beauty Lip Whip lipstick. It is a liquid lipstick. I absolutely love the formula of it. Like, what is this formula? This is so great, and I just love this. Okay, and I don't have any other words to say about this. I just love this formula. This is mind warm. This is very long lasting. You will let it dry nicely. It will become sort of transfer proof. It is not 100% transfer proof, but it lasts all day long. Like 5 to 6 hour आराम से चल जाएगा. And after using this, I have stopped using, other lipsticks like my, what we say, cream lipsticks जो भी होता था, bullet lipstick. I stopped using this, and I just use this lipstick, you guys. I have so many shades of it, and the shades are also very nice. I'm kind of, nude and brown girl. This Patek Sara Dewy Hydrating Mist has been my number one setting spray. I just hope कि ये कभी भी out of stock now, because this is so great. Like, the formula, the setting spray, and the spray itself is so nice, and the shine and the hydration it leaves after using this is so great, and it also keeps your makeup intact. So I just love this setting spray a lot, you all guys. And now we are on to hair care. And if you know me, and if you really want to know anything about me, just know one thing, that I am very, very, very much spectacle choosy about my hair care. I just can't use anything onto my hair care. Very, very, very much spectacle about my hair care thing. So let's just go on to the hair care. We will start with the oil, and one oil that I absolutely love this time is this Indie Oil hair oil. Oh my god, this is really, really, really great hair oil, and the fragrance and the scent of it, it's so soothing. It just calms you down. So I absolutely love this Indie Oil hair oil. It is quite expensive, but okay, we will work it out, because I am very choosy about my hair care. Okay, so it is really great. उसके अलावा I just use very normal hair oil. Okay, I just use sarson ka tel onto my hair, and that I have been using it since childhood. Sarson ka tel and coconut oil, these two hair oils are my staple into my hair care routine. And after that, the only hair oil I have trusted is this Indie Oil hair oil. So you know how good it is. And for my shampoo and conditioner, the Love Beauty and Planet hair care range lavender variant especially, it's so, so, so good for my hair. So it just remove all the frizz from my hair, and I absolutely love this shampoo and conditioner duo. Oh my god, like, I have used it back in 2023, and then I purchased it again. I have also used, this Bee Blunt shampoo and conditioner. I don't feel so good about that. So till now, for my favorite category, this Love Beauty and Planet shampoo has made onto the list. It is very hydrating. Your hair will feel very smooth and frizz free, especially because, if you know, I have like very thick hair, touch wood, but at the very same time my hair tends to get much more frizzier, so I want something that just control my frizz, and this is just one of them. So for my hair mask, I just love this Dove 10 in 1 deep treatment hair mask. This is my second, tub, and I absolutely love this. This is so good. It just makes your hair very smooth. It just make your hair very smooth, and also remove all the frizz from your hair. So my main concern when it comes to my hair, and in terms of shampoo, conditioner, mask, I just want something that just minimize the frizz of my hair and just repair my damaged bond, because I have colored hairs. So I really need to take extra care of my hair. That's why I hardly trust any hair care products. Okay, L'Oreal Dream Length leave-in conditioner, you really need to apply it, you know leave-in conditioner onto your hair. So I just use it for my every hair wash. I do not forget to use this. And this is Khali. I have another one right here. Just so I just have a backup of it. And yeah, I always keep the backup of it. And I don't know how many bottles of this I have finished this year. Maybe probably this is my third bottle. Great thing onto my hair care category is this scalp massager. This is silicone, and this is so good. Like, I like to use it every day, every 5 minutes. I just like to massage deep onto my hair. So yeah, I love that. Okay, so for my body care category, of the very first thing that is this is a dry brush, and you are supposed to use it before your shower. Like, just dry brush your whole body with this for at least 5 minutes. It will help to remove dead skin and exfoliate your whole body very nicely. After that, when you just use your normal body wash and everything, your body will feel very smooth and very nice. So yeah, that is really great investment I have made. Like, and this is only for, I guess, 230 rupees. So that's really very great, and I just like to use it once in a week, because हर दिन मैं time नहीं निकाल पा रही हूँ इसको daily use करने का. But if you use it daily, like for 5 minutes, and you really need to massage very gently, don't be so harsh, because आपका skin फिर red हो जाएगा. So just be very gentle with it, and I think this is a great exfoliating tool for your body. And the next one is this Dove exfoliating body polish. This is so great, you guys, and the smells so nice, and it also exfoliate your body and makes your body very smooth, and the fragrance is to die for. It smells like coconut and very gentle for your body, and I absolutely love this body polish. So yeah. How can we forget this ordinary glycolic acid toner? So good for your pigmentation, like your elbows, your underarms, your knees. This is so good for that. Like to use this alternate night after taking my shower. I just use it onto my underarms, my elbows, and my knees, and it really works very great. But do not forget to moisturize your skin and apply sunscreen the next day. So yeah, I absolutely love this. This is my second bottle, and this is a huge product. Okay, like, this is very huge. Sometimes I just use this onto my scalp to remove all the flaky and the product buildup that I have onto my scalp. I just use it. This is a very great exfoliating toner, you all guys. You really need to have this. This is a multitask product. I just love this. Like, only thing that has made onto my favorite category is this Dove soap bar, and that also in the pink variant, because this time I switched back onto a bar rather than a body wash, because I think soap bar ke jo fragrance hai, that last long. And so this time I don't have anything favorite in body wash category, but that Dove soap bar is my absolute favorite. That is onto my bathroom. वो भी पूरा खत्म हो चुका है. So I'm just going to insert the picture anywhere on the screen, so you'll just get the idea of it. It's underarm roll-on, and this is from the Chemist at Play underarm roll-on, and it has 5% of AHA, which helps to brighten your underarms and also helps to remove pigmentation. And this works very slowly, and this works very gradually onto your underarms. This is a really great product for your underarm roll-ons. Night, I like to use this Carmesy Natural Deodorant Roll-On. It just smells like coconut. This is so nice, very soothing. Roll-ons, one I use it in day and one I use it on night. The day when I use the ordinary glycolic acid toner, I like to top up with this. So yeah, that's that. Wishcare AHA BHA body lotion. Oh my god, what is this product? Why I haven't tried this earlier? It has 10% of AHA, 1% salicylic acid, niacinamide, grapefruit, and blueberry. And you know what? This product just helps to brighten your overall body, helps to remove tan, and this is so great. And I like to use it in the night, and in the day I just use normal body lotion that is from Plum. that is nice. Have used better body lotion than that, so I would not include that into my favorite category. But this is really great. I have just one favorite body lotion, and I love this. And this is also very affordable. It is a 200 ml of product, and this just costed me around 350. Amazon पे आराम से ही आपको 350-400 तक मिल जाएगा. MRP is 500, but आराम से आपको 350-400 तक मिल जाता है. Category is this DM Beauty Lip Oil, and I am the shade Chocolate. Oh my god, the application, the applicator, and the texture of it is really, really, really great. मैं कभी कभी I just use a lip liner and then lip gloss, and I'm good to go. This is that pigmented, that nice, and I'm the shade Chocolatey. So yeah, that's that. And I also have few random things that I want to show to you all that I absolutely love using in 2024. And the first one is of course jewelry. Very first one is this 1111 neck piece, and this is from an Instagram store called Dainty Diaries. I just love this. So I have purchased this chain from them, and then this hoop from the same store, same Instagram handle. Heart earring. This was really very great and very minimal. I like to use it on everyday basis, and these are anti tarnish, and I bought them on a sale, so I get a good price. And I was so much into, dainty neck pieces, dainty earrings. Another thing that is onto my favorite category is this hair clip. When I do my makeup, I just like to use it. Why I love this is because A, it just holds your hair properly, and second, if you have styled your hair and you are just pinning it, it will just not leave the mark. So that's why I like it. Like on में भी ये लोग सब लोग यही use करते हैं. This is also good when you are blow drying your hair or when you are styling your hair. This hair clip is also very great. Next favorite thing is this mic that I bought from Amazon again. I love this. I just love this mic. If I have to say one thing, I just love this mic. Okay, I have no other words to tell this. This is my absolute favorite investment that I have made for my content creation. And when I hold this mic, मुझे और बोलने का बहुत ही ज़्यादा मन होता है. So I just love this. Favorite product is again a tool, and this is this light. अभी इसका battery down है, but this is really great. Like you can clearly see क्या impact पड़ता है guys इसको. I just like to use it when I'm filming an Instagram reel. मैं इसे use करती हूँ. This is बच गया. Like it just enhance the quality of your reel instantly. Okay. And another favorite product is this makeup brush. This is from Mars. This is 4-in-1 makeup brush. It has a foundation brush, a powder brush. I also have two eyeshadow brush, one blending brush and one flat brush. कहीं भी बाहर जाना होता है, just carry this one brush, a blender, and I'm good to go, you all. Another favorite thing is this brush. This is PAC 219 concealer brush. Absolutely love this. Like इसके बाद से मैंने concealer लगाना start कर दिया because I suck at concealer. I really don't know how to blend the concealer, and this has made my life so easy. And the last second favorite product of 2024 is obviously this Stanley dupe tumbler. This has made my life so easy, and I tend to drink a lot of water with this. Like this is a 1 liter tumbler, and ये मैं like minimum दिन में 2 बार भरती हूँ. समटाइम्स 3 से 4 बार भी हो जाता है. यू जस्ट गेट द आइडिया हाउ मच वाटर आई ड्रिंक. जब से ये मेरी लाइफ में आया, माई लाइफ हैज बिन सो ईजी. आई जस्ट लव ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दिस सिलिकॉन स्टिकर. Oh my god, this is such a life changing product for all the creators. And if you're not a creator and you just like clicking more pictures, you need to have this. Like you just need to stick it onto back of your cover, and then you can just stick anywhere, hold your phone so nicely. I just love this. Like this has made my life, and this has made my filming process very easy. अब मैं कहीं पे कभी भी फिल्म कर सकती हूँ गाइस. कहीं पे कहीं भी मैं गेट रेडी विथ मी शूट कर लेती हूँ बहुत ही आसानी से. मेरी लाइफ बहुत ईजी हो गई है इसके बाद. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज अ मस्ट हैव फॉर एवरीवन, इवन इफ यू आर क्रिएटर, इवन इफ यू आर नॉट अ क्रिएटर. It is a game changing stuff. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you all loved this video. If you really did, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all guys in my next video. And yeah, till then, stay tuned, stay happy, and stay safe. Bye bye.